Welcome to Speak Korean Sentences in 10 minutes. In this program, you learn to speak Korean sentences in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, hard to believe, right? Let's go. So on this slide, you see sentences that end with yo, like 안녕하세요 and 반가워요. In Korean, a lot of times you don't have to say the subject, but just predicates, which can be an adjective as in 안녕하세요 and 반가워요. Or a noun predicate like these, 캐롤이에요 and 요리사예요. Or a verb predicate like these, 노래해요 and 테니스해요. Who says Korean is hard? It could actually be the easiest language in the world because you can express yourself with only predicates. It's a matter of practice, so you can speak Korean sentences in 10 minutes and speak like a native in 100 hours. 안녕하세요 is composed of the adjective stem 안녕하다, which means fine, and the particles 해요. The stem of 반가워요 is 반갑다, meaning glad to meet, but a particle 요 removes 부 from the stem and replaces it with 워요. These changing particles are referred as conjugation. In any language, there are always exceptions and common expressions that you just accept without questioning. As you practice them enough, they'll become a part of you and you'll get to naturally speak them. Conjugation is same. Just repeat along and you'll speak Korean sentences in 10 minutes. Here, the noun Carol is the predicate. So you put 이에요 after a final consonant 르 and 예요 after vowel 아 of 요리사. On this slide, you see verb predicates. You put the particle 해요 at the end of the verb stem 노래하다. You remove 하다 and replace it with 해요. Same with 테니스해요. You replace 하다 with 해요 from 테니스하다. Here, you see a sentence structure with an object. The sentence 노래를 해요 has the object 노래 and the verb 해요 from the verb stem 하다, which means do in English. 핑퐁을 해요 is similar. 핑퐁 is the object and 해요 is the predicate from the verb stem 하다. The only thing is that the particle 를 follows words ending with a vowel such as 에 from 노래, and 을 follows words with a final consonant such as from 퐁. But no matter how long a sentence is, all Korean sentences are structured in two ways, either a subject and a predicate or an object in the middle. Isn't it simple? Here, 핑퐁 has a final consonant so 을 follows 핑퐁. If you think you gotta memorize all these rules, they'll seem impossible and overwhelming, but with this powerful repetition method, by 10-20-hour lessons, you speak these naturally and they'll seem easy. Trust me, I guarantee it. I'll stop my lecture here because you'll learn to speak Korean sentences on your own instead of a teacher teaching you. Practicing and self-teaching is the paramount concept of this 100-hour program. You just repeat along as many times as you can, and you'll see how effective and powerful it is compared to conventional learning with a teacher. Here we go.
안녕하세요. 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 반가워요. 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 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? 캐롤이에요. 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 요리 사세요? 요리 사세요? 요리 사세요? 요리 사세요? 요리 사세요? 무엇을 하세요? 무엇을 하세요? 무엇을 하세요? 무엇을 하세요? 무엇을 하세요? 노래해요. 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 노래를 해요. 노래를 해요. 노래를 해요. 노래를 해요. 노래를 해요. 요리해요. 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 요리를 해요. 요리를 해요. 요리를 해요. 요리를 해요. 요리를 해요. 밥 먹어요. 밥 먹어요. 밥 먹어요. 밥 먹어요. 밥 먹어요. 그의 어머니세요. 그의 어머니세요. 그의 어머니세요. 그의 어머니세요. 그의 어머니세요. 여기 저희 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 어머니세요. 오늘 일해요. 오늘 일해요. 오늘 일해요. 오늘 일해요. 오늘 일해요. 오늘 일을 해요. 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 어머니에게 전화해요. 어머니에게 전화해요. 어머니에게 전화해요. 어머니에게 전화해요. 어머니에게 전화해요.
I hope you enjoyed the lesson and experienced the power of this self-teaching program. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get new video updates.